In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Recode to bulk edit transactions in Xero. This feature is designed to help you quickly fix coding mistakes across many transactions at once, saving time and keeping your reports accurate. Before you begin, make sure you have the right user permissions in your Xero organization, and consider whether any lock dates or compliance periods might limit changes. From your Xero dashboard, open the Accounting menu. In the drop-down, choose Find and Recode. On the next screen, select Find and Recode again to start a new recoding session. This opens the workspace where you'll define which transactions you want to change and how you want to change them. Begin by choosing Add a condition. Conditions help you narrow the list to exactly the transactions you need. You can filter by status, such as posted or reconciled, by account to target items currently coded to a specific ledger, or by bank account if you're focusing on transactions from a particular feed. Pick the condition that best isolates the issue you're correcting. The goal is to be precise, so you only touch the transactions that genuinely need updating. Click Search to run your filters. Xero will display a list of matching transactions, including details like date, contact, description, current account, and tax rate. Take a moment to scan this list and confirm it reflects what you intend to change. If everything looks right, use the checkbox at the top to select all results. You can always deselect any individual lines you don't want to include. Next, click Recode to set the changes you want to apply. Choose Account to move the transactions to the correct ledger, then select the right tax rate to ensure your GST, VAT, or sales tax reporting stays accurate. Be deliberate here. Recoding affects historic reports and can impact tax returns, so confirm the destination account and tax settings match your accounting policy. When you're ready, click Review. This gives you a clear summary of what will change and how many transactions are included. Carefully check this confirmation screen. If anything isn't right, you can go back and adjust your filters or selections. Finally, click Confirm to apply the recode. Xero will process the update and apply it to all selected transactions. Depending on volume, this may take a moment. Once complete, your accounts and tax reporting will reflect the corrected coding. That's it. By using Find and Recode thoughtfully, you can clean up common coding errors in minutes, keep your books consistent, and maintain reliable reports throughout the year.